Assalammualaikum, I'm Kowi from 5 PSNP Tasawuf 2. Today I'm going to share a little bit about short forms in English. So, in our daily online chat conversation, we often use short forms to make it last longer. For example, jap, which means sekejap. Well, English has it as well. It is called abbreviation forms. Abbreviation form is short forms of words and phrases to save time and easy to type. Here is some of the examples of English short form that we often see in social media. Number 1, SMH, which means shaking my head. Number 2, NGL, which means not gonna lie. Number 3, RN, which means write down. Number 4, TFW, which means that feeling when. And number 5, BRB, which means be right back. English also have another short forms called contracted form, a word made by combining two words together. For example, number 1, gonna, which means going to. I'm gonna go. Number 2, wanna, which means want to. I wanna buy that watch. Number 3, have to, which means have to. I have to go. And number 4, kinda, which means kind of. You're kind of my type. So that's all from me. I hope you guys will learn something new from this video. Thank you and bye-bye.
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. So my name is Nurasyiqin binti Nurasa, and today I would like to share on how to make your essay more interesting. I know that most of us have problems to make a variety of words in our essay. So today I will take an example of the word by. So we can see that to make our essay more like academic, more like factual, we tend to have a lot of comparison in our writing. So to substitute the word but in essay, I'll have a few suggestions. And first is yet, and then we have nevertheless, we have even so, we have however, still, apart from, other than, besides, and aside from. There are actually variety of the word that we can substitute, and you can actually make your own research in Google. But that's all